Today is Monday, and next week I have all 4 of my finals every day from Monday to Friday. So I have 1 week to study for my finals. Alright, so here's a plan. I'm gonna make a quick web app because I don't have much time that converts text into the Owoify version of text and lets you easily copy it using probably React.js and Vim UI. Maybe also I'll add some extra features, like the official sources says meme. I'll probably put some on the screen right now, and yeah, so that's what those memes look like. Those are actually special Unicode characters. I think they're called Latin sans serif math characters or something. So let's get to it. Okay, so this is the current just idea that I have. A very simple idea. So basically there's 2 designs. This is for like a desktop, with a wider width for the page, and this is for like a smartphone, if you have like a shorter width on phones. So it looks like this. We have the standard title of the page. You have a drop down that selects what kind of conversion you want to use. So if it's an Owoify, you're going to select the Owoify. You type in text here, and it's going to automatically convert the text for any change that you make in this text box. So you don't have to click any submit button or anything. And this button should copy it to your clipboard. And over here we have a very similar design. So instead of like left to right for the text boxes, you have top to bottom. So yeah, it's very similar in design. This should be easy enough so that I could do this in at most a few hours, because I have not started studying for any of my finals, and I probably should do that as soon as possible. I think we're ready to start coding. First problem of the day. So this thing called create React app has a script that lets me basically save the file, and it will automatically reload the new version into my web browser so I can see the new version. The problem is using this JSX pragma comment thing from Vim UI breaks it, so I have to somehow resolve that. Apparently there was a new release like a month ago, and it still has bugs, right, because it's a new release and stuff. So that's why certain parts like pragmas from Vim UI didn't really work. So I just downgraded React scripts, which is like a component of create React app that probably was causing the problem. So now we should be ready to start. Hey, look at that. Hello. Okay, check this out. So Vim UI has responsive values for these CSS properties. So what that means is I can specify multiple values, and it will basically dynamically switch between those values depending on the width of your browser. So you can see it transition from red to blue here. If I make it a little bit longer, like it's red when it's small, but if it's if it's bigger now, I can make it blue, right? And then if I do even further, it becomes green. Okay, so the only reason why this is currently happening is because I said at the smallest size make it red, medium size make it blue, largest size make it green. But what determines exactly when this happens is, there's like a default value for breakpoints, and they're called breakpoints. So I was trying to figure out what the breakpoints were for the default values, and I think they're in EM units, M units. So I divided by the size of the text to figure out how many EM units I need before it transitions. And according to these calculations, it's around 52 M units and 40 M units. So at 40, it becomes from red to blue. And at 52, it becomes green. Hey, would you look at that? It dynamically updates what I selected now. Finals are over as I'm recording this. I finished the project a few days ago. So here's what it looks like. You just type the words on the left, you click copy, and if you pull up Notepad or something and paste it in, see it copies automatically. Basically the library I'm using basically takes the punctuation and turns it into emoticons, so that's a cool feature. And you can do official sources claim that this is false, and you can change to a Twitter official source and it will create that for you. You can copy that and I guess pull it up again in Notepad and show you that it actually copies. Yep, right there. Okay, so that's it. I'll put the link in the description. Also, I guess I'll put the link to the GitHub repository, and thanks for watching.